Hello, Richard of TM Airsoft. We're going to be doing a testing video of this TM SCAR H. This one has had it's coming for service and it was making noise, so hopefully that's now resolved for you. We've done obviously the service on it and rebuild. Also installed a Tightbore barrel and hot rubber. So we've got the Eagle 6 M100 upgrade spring. We've got the piston head, O-ring's been replaced. We've got the Prometheus Tightbore barrel and the Psionic AEG hop nub and rubber. We've also got the SCAR 25 was replaced. So yeah, we're just going to demonstrate it working now. We set it up on 2.8 and we're getting 290 FPS. So it's all tested working. We hope that's all right for you. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise have lots of fun. Thank you.